Hey everybody, I'm here for another Scratch tutorial, and this is one of my favorite hacks, and it's to make a game controller inside of Scratch. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Feel free to follow along. I started with an airplane and a background because it works really well for this. And now I'm going to create a button and some up, down, left, right controls. So let me just show you how to draw these. Obviously the button's pretty simple. You just do a circle. You can watch some of my other tutorials about how to do that. So I'm just going to make a button. I'm going to fill it in. I don't know, pink. Sure, why not? Okay. And I'll move my button down here. And now I'm going to do an up, down, left, right arrow. So I'm going to start with a triangle. And let's make that one. We'll go with the same color scheme. Sure. So we'll go like that. And then fill that one in with the pink as well. And then bring that one in. Now, a little trick to make the arrows a little bit faster is to go add your sprite, select that arrow, and then edit that same one, or the triangle, and then you're just going to rotate it. So that way you maintain the shape. See that? Otherwise, they will all look very different, and this keeps them uniform. So I'm just going to do that 2 more times. There's my down. And it might not be perfectly straight. Let's see. Good enough, whatever. Okay, there. And we'll do one more. And rotate. There we go. Okay, so now we've got our up, down, left, right arrows. You can make them bigger or smaller, but they will interact as sprites, so you have to be a little bit careful with that. And okay, so there we go. There we got them. All right, so now we've got our up, down, left, right arrow and a button. So the way we're going to make these control our airplane is by having each one of these send a message command. So we're going to go to each one and just create a different message command. So let's start with our circle. And we're going to say, when I tap on the circle, send the orange envelope. Okay, and then we're going to just keep going through that for all of them. So we're going to say, when I tap on the up arrow, send the red envelope. When I tap on the right arrow, send the yellow envelope. When I tap on the down arrow, send the green envelope. You got the picture. When I tap on the left arrow, send the blue envelope. Okay, so you could do one more button if you wanted to, then you're out of colors. All right, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making it so that when we tap on one of these, we send a message. So obviously the message that we're going to send is going to go to the airplane to receive it. So now we're going to go to our airplane and we are going to say, when the airplane receives, so let's not do the orange one yet. That's the fun one. So let's do up, down, left, right. And in fact, if you want to make this sort of easier to understand, you can put these colors where the arrows might be. And then the button over here just kind of like models the layout, see, of that and that. Okay, so the up arrow was yellow, I believe. No, red. And I got to check. Yes, red. Okay. I was going in a circle, which means this one is yellow, which means this one is green, which means this one is blue. Now what I'm going to do is I am now going to put a move command on each one of these. So tap the up arrow, I go up, tap the right arrow, go right, and then down, and then left. And now for this one, I am going to do a spin. And I'm going to do 12, a full rotation of a spin. And just to make the spin happen a little bit more quickly, I am going to put in a speed code before that, and I'm going to say spin quickly. And that will make you spin quickly. So now if I do this right, when I tap the spin, I spin up, down, right, left. And you can control, did not mean to do that. Accidentally deleted that one. So let's get that one back. Get back over there. Okay. All right. And then that one would have been, when I tap on you, send a What's that? Yellow. Okay. All right, and drag you back over here. Okay. All right, let's make this full screen. All right, so there we go. And now you can steer your airplane around. Just make sure you don't accidentally delete the buttons like I was doing. Okay. If you want it to move faster, you can make it move more spaces with each tap. So you would just go back to your airplane, and then you would say, instead of 1, you would say 2. So let's change these all to 2, and we might move around a little bit more quickly. There we go. Okay, a little bit smoother, and a spin. All right, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed. You can use this in a lot of ways in Scratch Junior. Basically, you're making a game controller for whatever you're using inside the game.